Hey guys, in today's video we are here at White Cliff parking park. So we came from all the way down from Whistler going to this place. So there is no park that is, because it's raining today. That's why this is the only park that's good weather today. So we're coming by and eat the dinner tonight. What time is it? It's 5 o'clock p.m. So this is a White Cliff Park in West Vancouver, British Columbia, and right here, right now, it's happening. The dinner time. Where are they? So yes, we have patatip. Boss Madam is preparing, and we have pancit, malabu, pancit ilongga. Yes,